Now in the first part of this chapter, we learned about how computer works, what are the different parts of the computer, what are the components of the computer, what is hardware and what is software. Now here we are going to learn about that which application software in the computer system were there. That is, we have different computer applications like we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, we have Internet Explorer, we have Microsoft PowerPoint and many more. So each one of it is used for a specific purpose. For example, if I'll say Microsoft Word, we use it for writing down the information which is collected, and we also make documents for evaluation. Then we have Microsoft Excel, which we use to draw graphs which are based on numerical information from the experiment. So in this way, each and every application plays a very important role in what work we are doing. So let us look at few applications of the computer. So the first one that we are going to learn is how to use Microsoft Word. Now we use Microsoft Word to write down the information which is collected. We use it for making various type of documents, and we also use it for making question papers, etc. and etc. So for this we use Microsoft Word. Now to use Microsoft Word to create a document, we need to click on Microsoft Word icon on your desktop. So you will go on your desktop and you will click on Microsoft Word. Then you will select new option in the file tab and you will select the blank document option. So one blank document will appear. Then type your material, whatever things you have to type, you can type there by using your keyboard. You can use different font size, you can use an italic, bold, or you can do it various, you can underline it, you can change the color. There are so many options which are there. If you will see the options here, you can find that there are so many options on home only. So all these options are used to write. Here you can even use the alignment, which alignment you want, which type of heading or subtitle you want. So from here you can select any options and you can write whatever you want in your writing. You can choose the type of writing also. Here it is calligraphy. If you will select, you will get different types of writing options here. So from here you can select the style of your writing, in which style you want to write, in which size you want to write, and all those things. Even you can put bulletins from here, 1 to number if you want to put that you can put. So all these things can be done in Word. Next, in Word, if you want to insert something in your document, that means if you want to insert a table, so you can select a table option there. The rows and columns you can select if you want 2 rows or 2 columns, 3 rows, 4 columns, whatever your choices that you can select. Then you can even put in some pictures from here. If you have any pictures in your computer, you can select those pictures and you can put here. Then you can put different shapes, different icons. You can even put 3D models here which is there in your computer. So all these things options are in insert. So you have to open and you have to go in insert. Then you can also put in some equations here. Here are the equations. If you will select, equations will be there. You can enter your equation if it is not already there in this. You can even enter different types of symbol. For example, in physics, that is in science one, we use different types of symbols for ohm and meters, seconds. For all these symbols, we can select this options from here. You can even insert a text box, or you can even insert a comment section here. If you want to comment something on what you want to comment about, that you can insert. So all these things can be done from insert. So this way you can even put designs in it. You can even change the layout, and while going into each option you can select whatever you want to do. This is how we work on Word. So here if you will see, in equations there are different equations which are given. You can put plus, minus, whatever sign, root sign is there, whichever sign is required, that you can put. You can even select the options from here. If you want to select a fraction, you can select here. A script you want to select, that you can do. You can do an integers. Anything can be done from here. So you can select whatever option you want and you can put in your values to this option, and the fractions or the equations will be put in your particular document. So this is how we put the equations into a particular document. And this is how we do a Word document, and after this your Word document will be done, and here is the save option. You need to save your particular document that you have made. Next software is Microsoft Excel. Now this application, it is used to draw graphs based on whatever numerical value that you have. So you can make the graph, you can even make calendars into it, you can do the calculation work, even especially if you have to run a school and there you need to record information about many students, their score, their percentage. All these things become easy while using a Microsoft Excel. So to open Excel on your desktop, you need to click the Microsoft Excel icon on your desktop. Then you will select New and the blank option from the File tab. Now here you can type the information which is used to draw the graph on the sheet on the screen. Now here you can see that there are sheet 1. Now like this you can insert many sheets in a particular document. Now here in home, again you have options. You can select any of these options. You can select font options, you can select color options, and you can write your text. In this way you will write your text and you will write the text in each cell. And these text are then you can even transform it into different forms like in column form or in a tabular form or even in the graph form. So when you open insert option, in insert you will get various options like table, you will get different charts. You can select any chart or that you want. You can select a bar graph, you can select a pie chart, a pivot chart, you can select maps. Many things are there. Whatever is your requirement, according to that you can select these options. You can even select a 3D map of this. You can get line, column, you can even get symbols and text here. So in this way you can select this and create a particular type of graph or table. Next application is Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we use Microsoft PowerPoint to create slides where you want to explain something for any presentation. So for all these things we use Microsoft PowerPoint. Even now when I am making this video, I am using Microsoft PowerPoint to make a video to represent you all. So for Microsoft PowerPoint, you need to click on the Microsoft PowerPoint icon on the desktop. Then you will choose the new option and file tab. Blank slide you have to select from the file tab. So you will get a blank document here. After you choose a blank document, there will be options of new slide. You can insert as many slides as you want. You can even change the layout of the slide. For example, you want the title and you want the description, which photos, you can select that layout as well. Then you can even write something. You can choose any options. You can choose the font, the color to write things. You can even insert any shapes from here and you can insert in your slide. Now, for writing here, you can use so many different options, and also you can choose designs and transitions and animations here. So this is the best thing about Microsoft PowerPoint, that you can add animations to the stuff that you have added. Next, when you choose insert option, so here you will get options like table. You will have to insert a table, that you can do. You can even put photos or pictures which is there in your computer. Then you can insert shapes, you can insert smart art. For example, you have to make a hierarchy table, that also you can do by using smart art. You can insert charts into this. You can even add header and footer. You can add word art also. If you have to write a particular uh, topic in different word form, so that also you can put. Then you can even add equations, symbols, and different types of videos and audios also. So basically PowerPoint is used for presentation. You can make a very nice and attractive presentation by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, it is not necessary that Microsoft PowerPoint, if you have to use, you need a computer only. These days, you can even use Microsoft PowerPoint in your cell phone. In your cell phone, you can install the option and you can start working in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, some other application include like the Adobe Reader, that this is used to read a PDF document. Now, PDF is portable document format file. Now, this file cannot be used to view the file. You cannot even no, in normal things you cannot even make changes into it. So for that reason, we use an reader that is called as Adobe Reader to open such types of file. Then you also have different applications like Internet Explorer, which you can use as a search engine to search something about some topic. You can even use Chrome or Google to search some topics. So it's very important to study ICT for you all. You can use it in various forms for demonstration, for prediction, for collecting informations and all. Now ICT, you will get a assignment on this, that you'll have to make a particular document through Word, Excel or using PowerPoint. So that will be given in assignment which will be uploaded later on. So for now, it is important for you that you practice using Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Now, information communication technology, that is ICT, is a very vast field. There are various opportunities in the computer field. You can select the field. There are various software field, hardware field, even in marketing. So all these things, they have a good career opportunities. So for that, ICT is very helpful if you start using it from now itself.